The universe is full of secrets waiting to be unveiled. But how do we catch a glimpse of its hidden wonders? Well, for that, telescopes were created. They can capture distant galaxies and unravel the mysteries of space for us. So today, we have put together a list of 10 of the most powerful telescopes ever made. Let's start with Hubble Space at number 10. This optical giant has a massive 32 feet diameter and a unique design that sets it apart. Its mirror is always 55 degrees up from the horizon, so it can observe a whopping 70% of the visible sky. Thanks to its 91 hexagonal segments, it can collect loads of visible light and has also made some incredible discoveries. So far, its star moment was capturing light from a distant quasar, which is a space object powered by a supermassive black hole. On number 9, we have the Keck telescopes. They're located in Hawaii, and believe it or not, they can see even further into space than the famous Hubble telescope. They have both optical and infrared telescope capabilities, so they can produce some of the most stunning images of stars being born and allows astronomers to explore deeper into the cosmos. They have about 36 mirrors in each telescope, which makes them like massive panels hiding in insulated domes, operating at freezing temperatures to keep those infrared images crystal clear. Next up, for number 8 on our list, let's travel to the beautiful island of La Palma in Spain, where we find the Grand Telescope Canarias, aka GTC. This telescope is a true powerhouse that specializes in both infrared and optical observations and boasts a massive diameter of 34.1 feet. The GTC has already made its mark on the astronomical scene with a remarkable achievement, and that was the discovery of the most densely populated galaxy cluster. Imagine unraveling the secrets of galaxy cluster teeming with countless stars, galaxies, and cosmic wonders. The GTC's advanced capabilities and strategic location make it a valuable asset for astronomers seeking to unlock the mysteries of the universe. At the 7th spot, we have the South African Large Telescope, which is also known as SALT for short. This optical telescope is a big one with a massive diameter of 36 feet. It looks quite similar to the Hubble Space Telescope and was actually inspired by its success. SALT has the same number of hexagonal panels as the Hubble Space, but it's been improved to give us a better view and clearer images. The mirrors of SALT are also extra sensitive to short wavelengths because they have some extra layers of metal. One of SALT's biggest achievements is discovering the first white dwarf pulsar, which is a fast-spinning leftover of a white dwarf star. Coming in at number 6, we have Atacama Large Millimeter Array, aka ALMA. So these impressive telescopes are located in the Atacama Desert in Chile, hence the name. What makes ALMA unique is that it's a collection of radio telescopes with a diameter of almost 40 feet. Imagine having 66 telescopes working together as a team. Among them, 54 have a diameter of 39.4 feet, while the remaining 12 are a bit smaller, measuring around 23 feet. Together, they form an astronomical interferometer, combining their powers to create incredible images. Now, by changing the combination of telescopes, ALMA can target specific areas in the galaxy. One of ALMA's greatest achievements so far was detecting the most distant oxygen in space. They broke the record not once but multiple times. The farthest detection was from 13.28 billion light years away, where it picked up the evidence of oxygen in 2018, and this discovery came from the ionized oxygen in the galaxy MACS 1149 JD1. Up next at number 5, we have the Giant Magellan Telescope, or GMT for short. This is an ongoing project which is located in the Atacama Desert alongside its companion ALMA. It features a collection of optical telescopes with a diameter of approximately 80 feet. Once completed in 2029, it's going to produce images that are 10 times more clear than those captured by the renowned Hubble Space Telescope. At the 4th spot on our list, we have the 30-meter telescope in Hawaii, which is also known as the TMT. So, this is a collaborative project by several countries like Japan, the United States, Canada, China, and India, and is still a work in progress. Just like the name suggests, the TMT features a massive primary mirror measuring 30 meters, say about 98 feet in diameter. This mirror is composed of 492 hexagonal panels meticulously arranged with only 2.5 millimeters gap between each panel. The telescope is strategically positioned at an altitude of 1363 feet, providing a vantage point of study to the enigmatic black holes residing at the center of our Milky Way galaxy and other distant galaxies. Coming up next at number 3 is the Square Kilometre Array. It spreads across Australia and South Africa, featuring phase array and radio telescopes. Although the individual telescopes aren't huge, the overall project is massive. Remote locations in South Africa's Karoo region and Australia's Murchison Shire will house the impressive radio telescope arrays. With 512 telescope stations in Australia and 200 in South Africa, the SKA aims for telescopes that are 100 times more sensitive and a sky surveying speed 1 million times faster than current sites. They are said to be up and running by 2028, and then they will be in use for about 5 decades. Up next, let's talk about ELT in Chile, which basically just stands for Extremely Large Telescope. So it was designed by the European Southern Observatory to find Earth-like planets and seek signs of extraterrestrial life. It is said to be the future of optical infrared telescopes and is all set to be finished in 2027. The ELT features massive 10,527 square feet mirror that will capture 100 million times more light than the human eye. It will be housed in a towering rotating dome that's about 262 feet tall and weighs approximately 6,000 tons. The construction team laid the ELT's strong foundations in the early 2022. And now, last but not the least, is the 500 aperture spherical telescope, aka FAST, on number 1. So it's a radio telescope that's located in China and it opens its doors in 2020. What's special about it is the 1650 feet massive diameter, which by the way makes it the largest single dish ground telescope in the world. And with that, it's a wrap on our list of top 10 most powerful telescopes to exist. So, which one of these fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next one.